What would you do if you find slip stitches on your knitting clothes? Stop! Let me show you how to fix it. On this video, you can learn how to fix vertical slip stitches, which means to have 2 or more missed stitches in several rows. First, we should notice the pattern of our knitting and find which part of the pattern is missed. As you can see, I have 2 by 2 ribbing stitches, 2 knits and 2 purls, and I have 4 slip stitches, which 2 of them are knits and 2 are purls. For fixing vertical slip stitches, I use a crochet hook and start from very bottom where I have just 1 missed stitch. I make sure to pull out the very first piece of yarn which belongs to the next row. This is a knit stitch, so I should pull out the missed yarn from the back of my stitch. Again, I get the very first yarn from the next row and pull it out from my stitch. I do the same until I reach to my second slip stitch. I use this stitch marker to keep the second stitch from slipping down and also to mark it. Then I come back to my first stitch and continue fixing it to the last row. Don't worry if the stitch looks very loose now. When I complete fixing the other stitches, they all will be tidy and clean. As you can see, my second stitch is another knit stitch. So I do the same for the second stitch. I use stitch markers for the 2 other slip stitches and continue fixing my stitch to the last row. Well, I fixed 2 of 4 slip stitches. Before fixing the next 2 stitches, please subscribe my channel for upcoming videos and tutorials. Thanks for your support. My missed pattern was 2 knits and 2 purls, and now it's time to fix 2 purl stitches. For fixing purl stitches with a hook, I just turn over my knitting. So the purl stitches turn to knit stitches. And I can easily fix them just like my 2 first stitches. And finally, here is the last stitch. you can see all the slip stitches are fixed and clean.